Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a press release with PRWeb easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the PRWeb website. Click on the Get Started button. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Choose the appropriate press release package. Fill out the basic information. Enter your company name. Provide a catchy title for your press release. Write a sub-headline to capture attention. Select the date you want your press release to be published. Fill in the press release bodies section. Use clear and concise language to convey your message. Incorporate relevant keywords for better search visibility. Add multimedia elements if applicable, such as images or videos. Ensure you include your contact information. Select industry categories that best fit your press release. Review any additional options, such as distribution channels. Preview your press release to check for errors. Make any necessary edits before submission. Finalize your order and complete the payment process. Wait for confirmation of your press release distribution. Monitor the results and responses after publication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.